Welcome to my home, you guys. Just kidding, but you know, we are gonna try and recreate it. Boo! Are y'all ready for a good scare? What is up, pumpkins? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Halloween, happy spooky season, happy fall, happy October. Ooh, there's lots of reasons to celebrate. You guys know I'm freaking obsessed with decorating basically everything. But for some reason, I have just never decorated my house for Halloween. Honestly, probably because I don't really have anywhere to store the decorations. But this year, I thought it'd be fun to go all out, give my home a full Haunted Mansion transformation, you know, see what I can come up with. So we're gonna go shopping and give it a little bippity boppity spook. So without further ado, here we go. This should be good. It's actually quite a gloomy day outside, very in the mood for some Halloweenings. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna decorate this place and turn it into an evil mansion. See, I got a little bit of stuff already, but it's me, and I'm a shopaholic, so obviously we're gonna buy a bunch more. But, by the way, my outfit of the day, voila, we have a little white cropped hoodie, cute. Got some white booty shorts, a backpack, because, you know, I gotta be able to move my arms and hold a lot of things. Got some sneakers so we can move. And of course, to top off the look, my icy blue eyes, brought to you by our video sponsor. So these are the colored contacts that I'm wearing there from a brand called Color CL. Ooh, like look at how beautiful this box is. So yes, these are the Color CL lenses. They're super fabulous. They come in these little containers. Like look at all this cute stuff they sent me. But anyways, these are the ones that I'm wearing right now. They're called Creamy Luna. Anyways, the process is super easy. You can see me sitting here with the box. So cute. This is my natural eye color. You can see it's like a light brown, kind of like an amber, if you will. Ha ha ha. But yeah, looks like this. So that is a nice little before. The contacts come in a little container like this. I'll try on dark gray for you, but super easy. You just kind of plop them in and OMG, you got a blue eye. Look at that. That's insane. It literally blends so well. I am completely shook. What the heck? Wow. This is so cool. Super pretty. So those are probably the lightest ones that I've been wearing. If you're looking for a hella dramatic change, they also got that too. Woo. But I prefer the subtle ones just because I like to look a little bit more natural. So I've got hazel are some of my faves. You can see a really nice little change. And green, OMG. I wore these in my fairy video. So cute. That's crazy. Such a fun way to shake up your look for the day. Not to mention they're only 15 bucks a pair, so they're super affordable. Perfect for Halloween and also just perfect for, you know, being fabulous all the time. Y'all know I'm extra, so why not? Comes with everything you need. They even got cute little containers for you to keep them in. How adorable. So huge shout out to Color CL for sponsoring this video. If you guys want to shop, the link is below. And on that note, let's go shopping. Bye-bye, gorgeous fox baby. I love you, honey. By the way, how festive is this? Yes. Woo-hoo-hoo, my favorite store. Oh my God, look at this, you guys. So fun. This place is literally the best. This place is literally the best. They have so much fun decor. So, oh my God, let's see what we should do. Hell yeah. All right, let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, hell yeah, we definitely need some ravens for sure. Hello, little friend. Cool. God, this is so creepy. Okay. Wow, my boyfriend. Oh my God, these are gorgeous. Wow. Same. Hi! It's so nice to meet you.
I love all your videos. Oh. All your videos. Keep up the good content. I love it. I love it. It was nice meeting you.
I love Halloween. This is the best. Oh my God, this is everything. Wow. For 200 bucks though, I don't think so. Oh my God, you guys, this is insane. you know, shopaholic. Hi.
Hi. I'm good.
Anything
I love her.
Oh, thank you so much. I love you too. Oh no. This is terrifying. Alrighty, we're back. And it's the next morning, so I, you know, look a little crispy, but I'd also switched eye color. Oh my goodness, look at this one. You can see in the sun there. Ooh, so pretty. Look at that in the sun. Wow. Okay. Anyways, aside of decorating me, we're gonna decorate the house, but I want to wait till nightfall. So, time lapse. All right, so here's what I got. and I don't really know what I'm going to do with literally any of it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you nervous, honey? Here we go. Now that the night has fallen, I think it's time to get Halloween. This is so weird. Okay. Went ahead and flicked on the fireplace for some mood lighting here. So first things first, I went ahead and spray painted the candelabras because I meant to buy black ones, but I bought silver ones because, oops, what can you do? Anyways, just went ahead and spray painted those real quick. Bada bing, bada boom. Voila. Now they're nice and black. Perfecto. So we're gonna let those dry, and while we let those dry, we're gonna work on the piano because I just thought that would be the funnest. So we're gonna take this weird little garland thing, and I'm just gonna kind of drape it over there. Then we're gonna take these black flowers, and I just kind of, draped them on that, kind of wrapping them around to kind of create like a fancier, dark, eviler looking floating rose garden kind of thing. Plop the black cat in the middle of that with some of the pumpkins around it. Hey, look at that. That's pretty dang cool. Throw some extra flowers on there, a nice little candelabra thing, and a black raven on top to top it all off, with, of course, the candelabra next to it. Oh my god. It's gonna be fire. Printed out some literal music sheets, just deadass from Google on my printer, put those there, and ta-da! Look at that. So evil, so glamorous, so fabulous. Okay, so now we're gonna do the table. I went ahead and laid some black lace. I wish I got thicker black lace, but this is all we had. So for now we got that, a nice little mirror, went ahead and took these little stick things and put them on there. And of course, plopped the candelabras on the center of the table. Oh my goodness, look at those, so cute. This is gonna be so fun. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take the little black vines and I'm literally just going to put them all over. So laid the little black flowers everywhere, added some extra black flowers. Basically, I just put black flowers everywhere until it looked kind of like an arrangement. Added some little glittery ravens for some more fun. Then this I thought was super cool little idea. I got these little skeleton hands and I just put them kind of like sticking out. And I picked up some little black and white butterflies, so they kind of look like skeleton butterflies. And I just had those sitting in the hand of the skeleton. Cute. And you can see when that is all done up like this. Oh my god, gorgeous. This is gonna be amazing. Set up these giant floor candelabra things for an added bit of glam. Added some, groovy pillows, some weird more candles. Basically, I just put my house on dark mode. I got these cool little raven statues, but I didn't like that they were sitting on brown wood, so I went ahead and painted those with some black paint just so they would be a little bit darker, so then they would just blend in a little better. So to decorate this, not gonna lie, I didn't do the greatest job here ever, but basically I just put some vines there, draped those around, added in the birds and the butterflies again to make this, the evil glam. Mr. Pumpkin Man, I love you. Went ahead and lit all the candles for the final touch, and here we go. Alrighty, are you guys ready for the grand finale? P.S. We threw in some green for this. Oh my goodness. Wow, literally such a look. Okay. Wow, spicy. Are y'all ready for the tour? P.S. I thought it would be fun to slip on a very Halloween-inspired gown for some formal fanciness. Hello. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my goodness. Da, 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 da. Quick little before as a reminder. And after. Ooh, spooky. This is just, oh my god, it's beautiful. Wow, the glamour, I love it. This is such a fun little touch. I just love that. But these came out so good. They are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I am going to honestly probably leave these up and reuse them like for random stuff. I don't even know. But next time I'm hosting like a very formal Addams Family dinner party, yeah, these are gonna be perfect. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. The piano, of course, is always one of my favorite things in the world to decorate because it's just so beautiful on its own anyway. This just like makes it, oh, la la la. Now, if only I could learn to play. This is just so beautiful. I love these candelabras. And of course, some more little birdies. Hi. We got the little raven. These I literally just printed off the printer. So yeah, these are like printer paper. Cool. He did the mash. He did the monster mash. We did the mash. We did the keyboard smash. Fabulous. And people say I'm not talented. I went ahead and replaced my lamps with these because I just thought these were super freaking cool. Like, OMG, bye. I love these. Wow. Fun fact, I just really liked these weird little ghost things and literally couldn't figure out where to put them, so I thought they sort of matched the horse's hair. So that's why they're there. I'll find a better place to put those next year. I don't know. Of course, the funky pillows. This was just a bunch of random other stuff that I just wanted to buy and didn't know where to put it. So we got the cute little thingies and the spells and the potions. This is just so freaking fun. And these I thought were the coolest things ever. Literally skeletons with angel wings. Oh, like that was freaking made for me. Got the same thing over there. We got some curses. I would never curse anybody. Over here is honestly not the most exciting thing in the world, but these are fun. I love birds, so you know, we got those. Just went ahead and left the flowers out. Got the cute little butterfly. Put one of the black cats here. Hi, little kitty. Zwoosh. Oh my god, this is so fun. Dun, dun, dun. This was just some candles with some flowers I put around them. Super cute. Same flowers from everywhere else. And you know, now that I realize it, this is actually probably like hella fire hazard. I have like 400 candles burning in here. Literally. But it sure does look pretty. Ooh, it just looks so spooky and fun. Wow. I should have a Halloween party. The Amber family. Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na-na. And that, my friends, is my Halloween decorating video. Hope you guys like the little decorating video. Sure as hell love doing it with you as always. Thank you so much for watching. P.S. if you want to shop any of the contact lenses, like I said, the link is in the description. So fire. Oh my god, I'm gonna wear these like literally all the time. So by the way, stay tuned for all my costume videos. I have like a bajillion of them, so that will be fun too. I love the spooky season. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Very spooky kisses. XO. Why does it look like I have a mustache? I wish that it no longer looks like I have a mustache. Oh my god, my wishes came true. Oh no, what if my smoke alarm goes off?